You want to learn how to turn your cheap $20 wig into a lace part low ponytail?
You damn Skippy.
Alright, I'm about to show you how. Let's go.
Go, sis.
Okay, put your wig on the mannequin and choose where you want your part to be at. I'm choosing the side part on my ponytail and it's going to curve a little. Now mark where you want your part to be at from the beginning all the way to the end to give you a good guideline.
Okay.
Okay, now connect the dots and draw a line so you can know where to cut your lace at.
How you finna do that?
You're going to place your lace on the top and take a glue gun.
A glue gun?
And you're going to trace behind the line that you made for your part. Make sure you do it on both sides. After it dry, make sure you cut it on both sides. But try not to cut the front just yet because you might need it for some leverage.
What if I ain't got a glue gun?
If you don't have a glue gun, you can use the good old-fashioned thread and needle. Alright, so when you go and cut the wig, make sure you do not cut the lace because you're going to have to start all over. Alright, so try to cut the wig close to it.
Ooh.
See how that look? See how that look? Yeah. Look at that part. Alright, so you're going to clean it up by cutting the pieces that's out of place. Leave out some baby hair so you can do your little curls with, or you can do your edges with. And you see how this is? Alright, so get you a scrunchie, and now it's time to do the ponytail.
This the easy part.
You're going to slick the ponytail down the best way you can. Alright, take another scrunchie, do it in layers. I did mine in 2 layers. Get a small piece and wrap around the ponytail for your genie. And make sure you spray that down too with hairspray so it can be nice and firm. Get them strong black net strips, put at least 2 or 3 on it so you can mold it. Style your baby hair and follow me for more.
And I will. Thank you, girl.